PRP worked for my hip. I went from no mobility to being able to walk like a normal person. The joints just didn't want to cooperate. But then I was introduced to One Natural Health, Daniel, and I started the PRP, and I noticed the hip was started wanting to move. I mean, I was to the point where I couldn't really move it. It was like it was locked. Anyway, through the treatments, I was able to get a lot of my mobility restored. Here it is now, the 1st of June, and I'm able to walk like normal. So then I came back and I did a hyperbaric oxygen chamber, and oh my gosh, here I am now. I'm feeling 20 years younger. I'm very blessed to have found Daniel. He explains everything to a T. So you know what the preparations are, what's going to happen. There are no surprises. So he's very good about telling you every step of the way. It's all comfortable. It's just a great experience, and I'm very thankful to be here today.